Here are the top 3 tips to getting your home sold this winter. Number 1, and always number 1, is pricing. The market has been crazy now for quite some time, and people think that it's still crazy, but things have calmed down just a little bit. And so pricing your home in order to get it sold is always going to be the number 1 thing we have to do. Number 2, keeping your house clean. There's a reason when you go look at model homes for new subdivisions that those homes are staged and they look immaculate. So I realize, especially for those of you that have kids and animals and things like that, I don't need it to be perfect, but we need the home to be as clean as it can be. And the last one is making it easy to visit. Meaning, when people are trying to set up appointments to show your particular property, whether it's a house, condo, doesn't matter, you need to make it easy access for them. So when people limit the time frames or limit the days of the week, it makes it real challenging for buyers who are already feeling the time crunch of trying to get in these properties. So just make it easy, clean, and priced right, and your home will be ready to sell this winter.